Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking tandoori fries. I know you're thinking this is a little bit crazy, but that's what I first thought when I ate these at a local cafe, Love on Coffee. These are insanely delicious and addictive. First, we need to make the tandoori sauce. In a bowl, add 1 cup of yogurt. You want set yogurt because otherwise the sauce will become too runny. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, next half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika for some extra color. Mix it all together. Finally, the juice of half a lime. Mix it through the sauce. This sauce is done. You can also use this sauce to make tandoori chicken. Deep fry your fries at 350 Fahrenheit or 170 Celsius. For a recipe like this, I normally use frozen fries. Drain the fries before seasoning with salt. I'm using an Aussie favourite, chicken salt. You can find the link to the recipe in the description. All that's left to do is to serve it up. Place the fries on a plate and top with that beautiful tandoori sauce. Finish off by sprinkling over some grated coconut for some much needed sweetness, and there you have it. Tandoori fries. These are so damn delicious. I know it seems a bit crazy at first, but this is a recipe worth giving a go. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.